Hi, I'm Erin with Erin's Faces, and this is the quick version for how to get your blush where you want it in the most flattering place you can possibly have it on your face. Here we go. Okay, so wherever you put your blush tells me the year that you learned how to put it on. So if you're putting it up here, please stay tuned because I'm going to make your life better today. So I'm just going to use I'm going to use a really scary color. I'm going to use our Impatience blush, which is a hot pink Barbie Pepto-Bismol pink. So I'm going to go in here with our brush. I'm going to then, and this is key for me with blush, I always blot it on a Kleenex or a torn paper towel. Okay? So you don't have too much color on. You can always go back for more. Then you're going to smile and catch the mascara that fell down. You're going to smile and your apples pop out. What are we doing when we put blush on? We are mimicking little kids running around in the snow getting pink in their cheeks. That's really what's happening. So if you want young cherubic cheeks, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to smile every morning and say, "Good morning, how are you, Erin?" "Good," or whatever your name is. I don't really say that, but you could. And you're going to smile, smile, smile. And I'm putting on a ton. This light is very bright, so it's not really showing up as much as it is here. But that's where you want it. Now, if you're like, "I look crazy, I don't like it, it's too much," take your empty powder brush. You cannot use your blush brush that you just put pigment on. It will not work. You have to have an empty powder brush. And you're either going to do cinnamon bun swirls or cat whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's going to soften it. Okay? So that's for really like cheruby. That's a lot. Cheruby cheeks. If you are a grown-up lady and you are not wanting to look like a little kid, but you want to have a little bit of blush on, whenever I would do NBC executive ladies, which there was a stint where I was doing a lot of them, we don't go for the full apple. We're going to go for a half moon on the outside of the apple. We're still not going over here because no one naturally blushes over there unless they have rosacea. And if they do, they don't like it. So don't do that to yourself. So we're going to come over here. This is if you're an executive lady, and then I'll even it out when I'm done. I'm going to go on the outside. See how those are telling two very different stories? Yes. Love it. So this lady's more grown up. She's more sophisticated. She's more Angelina Jolie. I don't think ever wears blush. But like, she's more like that. This is like happy Reese Witherspoon. Okay? Hey, you know what I mean? So you can do either. Neither is better or wrong. It just depends on the story that you want to tell. Your makeup tells a story. Now, the story I want to tell is happy. So I'm going to come back in and finish this up. So my whole apple gets doused. Soften, soften, soften. Okay? You can do it.